Hi, this is Rachel from Tyms. Today we'll be looking at how to import your inventory items. By the end of this video, you'll be able to prepare inventory data with the import template, add opening stock and required item details, upload inventory items in bulk, review and confirm imported items. Let's get started. Once you log in, navigate to the inventory module on the sidebar and select all items. This opens the inventory page, showing your items and their current stock levels, if any. To import your items, click on the New button. From the Menu button, select Items Import. This takes you to the Inventory Import page, where you can upload up to 200 items at once. Click here to access the Inventory Import template. This template provides guidance to help you import your items accurately and efficiently. The template is view-only, so make a copy before editing. Use the Read Me First section to understand how to format your data. Here, you can review the column names and their descriptions. If your items have opening stock, you can add the quantities here to be included during import. Once your file is ready, upload it and select the date format used in your sheet. It's important to choose the correct date format to ensure accurate import. Click Next to proceed. This takes you to the Mapping page. Review the column mapping to ensure your data matches the system fields, then proceed to preview your data. Preview your items and make any quick edits if needed. Once satisfied, click Upload. Your inventory items have now been imported. You can proceed to restock where needed and record sales for these items. And that's how to import your inventory items in bulk. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.